Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best quietest all-terrain tires that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is BFGoodrich All-Terrain T/AKO2 Radial Car Tire. The BFGoodrich All-Terrain TAKO2 Radial Car Tire is built for those who need reliability through changing road conditions. Made for sport utility vehicles, light trucks, and crossover vehicles, it is designed to deliver strong support during every season. Whether traveling on snowy paths, muddy trails, sandy dunes, or rough rocky grounds, this tire handles different surfaces without trouble. Its advanced construction gives support for year-round traction, allowing steady movement through both dry and slippery areas. The tire's shape allows for more even pressure distribution, helping reduce uneven tread wear and extending usable life. The thick and stable tread also delivers strong grip and better turning ability during changing driving conditions. This product includes strong side layers built using materials developed from high-performance racing needs, helping defend against sharp objects or pressure from rugged paths. These sidewalls are created to protect against cuts and damage from stones or wood debris when moving off-road. The central design includes elements that support grip and maintain balance, especially on unsteady terrain. Even with tough build elements, the structure still allows smooth rides during longer drives on highways. Its well-designed footprint works to reduce stress and gives even wear for steady use. This radial tire keeps working in cold temperatures, meeting winter safety levels with the 3-peak mountain snowflake standard. From long highway travel to weekend off-road challenges, it delivers solid control and handling wherever the road or trail leads. In our list, the number 2 product name is Cooper Discoverer AT34S All-Season Car Tire. The Cooper Discoverer AT34S All-Season 245/65R17XL111T tire is created for vehicles that move through mixed driving environments. Built for rugged sport utility vehicles and light-duty trucks, it handles highway travel as well as weekend off-road activity without hesitation. Whether moving across gravel, wet pavement, or snow-covered roads, it continues to support traction and balance. This tire contains a specialized tread structure that adjusts to different surface conditions. It keeps movement steady during rain, sun, or freezing temperatures. On rough or uneven roads, the grip remains consistent, making it suitable for both work and recreation. Drivers looking for reliability in dry or slippery areas will benefit from its ability to maintain control while changing direction or braking quickly. Its strong compound and pattern make it more capable of resisting water movement, lowering the chance of sliding when crossing wet streets. When snow builds up, the tire's layout holds the icy surface, supporting travel across frozen ground. Its design also works well on dry paths, offering smooth rides for daily driving. The Cooper Discoverer AT34S comes with durability for long-term use and a reputation for performing through weather changes. With a higher load support and resistance to tread damage, it is ready for vehicles that demand consistent control during all seasons. This tire helps vehicles stay steady no matter the route, from city roads to countryside trails. In our list, the number 3 product name is ATTURO Trail Blade Hybrid Rugged Car Tire. The ATTURO Trail Blade XT275/55R2117SXL Hybrid Rugged Terrain Tire is designed for year-round use across both road and trail. Its structure supports off-road control while maintaining smooth travel for daily driving. The tread pattern helps deliver consistent movement on loose ground and keeps rolling quiet when cruising on paved surfaces. Built to handle water, snow, dirt, and uneven land, this tire brings solid traction in nearly all driving conditions. The layout uses multiple channels to push water away from the contact area, helping reduce the chance of slipping during wet weather. Large block areas along the shoulder section provide grip when navigating muddy paths or rocky stretches. Stability remains a focus of this design. A system of connected tread units supports even handling across the surface. This helps reduce wear from movement and improves contact across the road, which contributes to better control. With its solid structure, the tire is suited for vehicles that face mixed driving surfaces or heavy loads. The center area of the tread features a compact design aimed at reducing sound during highway use. This blend of road comfort and trail strength gives drivers a flexible solution that can handle work or travel. Whether crossing rough ground or covering long stretches of pavement, the ATTURO Trail Blade XT tire aims to stay balanced and reliable. It fits well with light trucks and sport utility vehicles seeking dependable performance throughout the year. In our list, the number 4 product name is Continental TerrainContact All-Terrain Tire. The Continental TerrainContact All-Terrain Radial Tire in size 245/75R16120S is made for drivers who want a balance between on-road handling and light off-road strength. Designed to work in various non-winter conditions, this tire supports sport utility vehicles and light trucks that need grip on both paved streets and rougher trails. Its tread depth reaches 16-30 seconds, helping maintain strong ground contact. The tread layout is engineered for dry and wet surfaces, aiming to reduce stopping distance when weather changes. With a section width of 245 millimeters, it spreads evenly across the road, offering reliable support and balance while driving through uneven terrain or city routes. Maximum pressure for this tire stands at 80 pounds per square inch, and it can carry a load of up to 3,042 pounds, making it suitable for heavier vehicles or gear. The non-directional tread type helps rotate tires without changing their position, extending tread life over time. The ply rating is E, which contributes to its strength under pressure and durability over long use. Sport Plus technology is included in the design, helping improve grip when roads are wet or slippery. The quick view indicators act as a guide for tire wear and alignment needs. Whether the surface is dry pavement or loose gravel, this tire aims to keep control in check. Its strong structure and reliable traction can match the needs of both work and travel without changing tires across seasons. In our list, the number 5 product name is Kumho Road Venture AT51 All-Terrain Tire. The Kumho Road Venture AT51 all-terrain tire with size 3211.50R15 is created for vehicles that require grip in summer environments while offering steady on and off-road use. With a section width of 11.5 inches and a tread depth of 16-30 seconds, it helps provide dependable surface contact during challenging drives. The load capacity of 2,535 pounds and ply rating of 6 make this tire suitable for light trucks and sport utility vehicles that carry heavier loads or need stability when driving over different terrains. The maximum pressure reaches 50 pounds per square inch, while the rim width matches at 7.5 inches, supporting proper fit and alignment. The tread is non-directional, which allows easier rotation to improve longevity and road performance. The design includes features for clearing mud and snow by creating more gripping edges and spaces for self-cleaning. This makes it usable for construction paths, loose soil, or icy roads. Deep central grooves help guide water or slush away from the surface, aiming for a more secure grip during storms. Dual silica materials are used in the structure to keep the tire cooler and extend its usage while maintaining energy efficiency. Variable pitch tread blocks aim to lessen road noise, creating a smoother ride even when switching from urban routes to rugged zones. This tire fits drivers who need one solution for rough weather driving and calm road handling without compromising between strength and ease. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.